Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you how I made my November birthday card using the Rooted in Nature stamp set. So let me set this aside and we'll get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is fold your pumpkin pie cardstock in half and use your bone folder to score it. I'm going to open this up so the cardstock doesn't spring on me when I'm stamping, and I am going to use this sentiment here with cherry cobbler cardstock, and I'm going to stamp that in the bottom right hand corner. And then I am going to add some dimensionals to the back of my cherry cobbler piece. I'm going to remove the dimensionals backing, and I'm ready to adhere it to my card front. So I'm going to close that so I have a better judgment of where I need to be, and I'm going to adhere. Alright, now at this point I'm ready for my focal point that I've stamped with my Rooted in Nature 3-leaf stamp and the baby wipe technique. And if you'd like to see how I did that, you can watch my baby wipe technique video tutorial. And I'm going to adhere that to the card front here. And then I'm going to add these 3 little rhinestones with my Take Your Pick tool. Sorry, didn't lock that in place. There we go. So I'm going to use the paper piercing end, and I'm going to lift that up. And I'm going to place 1, 2, and 3 rhinestones there underneath my image, and I can put my tool away. So there you go, quick and easy. So let me show you the original again. If you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.